Hey everyone, this is Matt King with the King Piers team, out here with another video showcase of the nation's very best engineering sound foundation repair. And if you'd like to see more, we highly encourage you to visit us over on our YouTube and Facebook channels. If you've never visited before, it's just a simple search, King Piers LLC. And while you're there, you will be able to see all of our past projects, the videos we've taken for those. Try to have as much content there to show off proper engineering sound foundation repair, and those YouTube and Facebook pages are a great tool to educate yourselves on that and to see exactly why the King Piers methodology is the best and most engineering sound foundation methodology for foundation repair that's out there. So again, we're out here on our project in Lee Summit, Missouri. This is one of our full scope foundation repair projects. We have two walls. We're going to be straightening this back wall here, and then the front wall. You saw at the start of the video, these I-beams were what were initially installed by another company. Ultimately, they have not, they definitely were not installed correctly. If you remember the very first video a couple weeks ago, these wall braces were secured just by metal plates, and they were just screwed in, nailed to the underside of the floor joist. That is not how we do ours. If you do that, you are risking the floor joist splitting, and we do not come in here to damage these homes. So as you know from all of our previous projects where we're installing wall braces, we bolt everything from the side of the floor joist to secure that upper end into the floor joist. So right now we're just working on getting the additional holes set up. You can see we're at the footing right there. The bottom ends of our 14 H-beam wall braces are going to be set right on top of the footing before we mortar them in with some high-strength concrete, get those set. So we're getting those ready. Tomorrow we should be able to start getting the walls pushed back to vertical. We're just trying to get the cleanup, everything out of the way so we can set up our 6x6s, our 90-degree angle iron, and get that taken care of. We should have the wall braces ready tomorrow to start installing those, and hopefully have all of that finished up by Thursday. And then Friday and probably Monday will be the piering. We have 10 King Piers 2s we're going to be installing under the footing from the exterior of the house. And we'll be raising that footing back to its correct level elevation. So again, I mentioned this is our 4-step full scope foundation repair projects. Number 1, straightening the wall. Number 2, wall bracing it. Number 3, piering it. And then number 4 is going to be epoxy injecting the cracks on the foundation wall. So most of those are going to be here in this main part of the basement here. So not a whole lot, but that's going to be the final step. So stay tuned for more updates. We're looking at probably another 7 days out here before this project is wrapped up. So again, you'll be able to find all the updates on our YouTube and Facebook pages, King Piers LLC. You can also go to our website, kingpiers.com. And don't forget, you can always reach us directly by phone at 1-816-288-4373.